Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to save Capcut video in gallery. So to do that, let's head over to our Capcut application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the skip button and here go to the edit option and go to any video that you have previously started or start a new project. And this is the one I want to do now. So what I'm gonna do is just to uh, export the video. Tap on export on the top right. It will load ad as this is not a premium account. So wait till the ad finishes. I'm gonna skip to the part for you. So as you can see, it is exporting and it is exported to the gallery. So if I just head over to my gallery, I can see this video. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.